Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today is day 4 recap, and it's more of the same cleanup. My buddy Lynn's in Mexico, and I've been coming in during the weeknights just hacking crap off, and so I sped the video up 10x just because it's kind of boring. But I wanted to take a moment and talk about car guys and what I really like about car guys. And what really fascinates me about people that are car guys is you can be at a car show, you can have a hoopty like my truck, and some guy will park next to you with a Ferrari or something really nice, and you have a great conversation. You can park next to a person that makes $25,000 a year but works on cars and is so knowledgeable. Park next to somebody that makes $1 million a year, and they get along great, and there's no judgment. They're not being judgmental. They're just car guys. And an example of that is several years ago. I can't remember how long, maybe 5 years ago or so, 7 years ago. I was out. I purchased a 65 Ford Galaxy. It had a T-Bird interior, and it was all original, from a guy in San Diego. And I told him I was going to fly out with my wife and drive back to St. Louis on Route 66, and he's, oh yeah, the car's roadworthy. Well, San Diego, the weather's pretty damn nice. I'm driving to my uncle's house, who lived in San Diego, and like maybe 5 minutes into the drive, the car overheats. So I had to unwind that deal. It took a while. I ended up actually putting the vehicle back on his lot under consignment, which was risky, but I came out really well. Long story short, my wife and I went up to see my cousins in Los Angeles. I go to Cars and Coffee, and this guy has this Buick Roadmaster for sale. It's gorgeous. It had 42,000 miles on it. And I'm looking at it, thinking about it, and the guy says, well, I've sold one to another guy that's actually here. Let me go take you and introduce you. So we go over and meet this guy. He's a dentist. He's got a Ferrari. And we're talking, and I asked him, what's your favorite car? And he's like, man, I got 4 or 5 cars, but my favorite is the Roadmaster. He said, I can load up all my employees, and we can take a road trip, turn the air conditioner on, and haul down the highway at 80 miles an hour and still get 25, 27 miles to a gallon. He said, you really should buy that wagon. So I ended up buying the wagon and driving it back on Route 66. I'll post a photo below. But just another great experience, and all around cars. So it doesn't matter what your station in life is, if you're rich, poor, smart, not so smart, highly educated, not very educated. It doesn't matter. Car people are car people. So I hope this video was enjoyable. I kind of rambled on a little bit longer than I wanted to, but the video was kind of boring anyway. It was just cleanup, and it's all part of the process of getting ready to finish the teardown, get it sandblasted, and start building this up. And then when we're building up, I will have a lot more detailed videos. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.